In this video, we're going to take a look at using the Web 2.0 calculator to arrive at the correct answers from the 1.2 video slideshow. So we're going to first look at the first fraction that we had here with the answer of 0.44. So we're going to look at how to enter this in the Web 2.0 calculator. So in order to enter this into the Web 2.0 calculator, let me just shrink my screen a little bit. You're going to enter the numerator in its own set of parentheses. So I have 4 times 9.072 plus 7, and that ends the numerator. So I close the parentheses. Divided by, I'm going to do the denominator, 9.072 plus 90, close parentheses, and that's the end of the denominator. I recommend this because look at the top right here. I can verify that in the top, this looks exactly like what my slide looks like. So then I know I can press enter and I get the 0.436, which rounds to 0.44. Now let's look at the other calculation that we entered in our calculator, which is here for C. So if I want to enter C, any fraction goes in a parentheses with the numerator divided by the denominator. Because there's only one thing in this fraction and I'm not adding and subtracting anything else, I don't need to put the numerator in a separate parentheses than the denominator. If it's just one thing, it's correct there, times, and I could use the multiplication symbol here, 500. Now look at the top. I correctly have my fraction times the 500, so I hit equal and I get 129.4, which rounds to 129. Let's take a look and see what would happen if I didn't use parentheses correctly here. In this case, it would still give me the right answer, but in the previous situation, when I go back to that one, an inappropriate use of the calculator parentheses is going to cause some problems. So if I do 4 times 9.072 plus 7 divided by 9.072 plus 90, look at the top. This doesn't look anything like this calculation, and that's because I'm not using those parentheses. What's in the numerator, because there's more than one thing, goes in parentheses. What's in the denominator, because there's more than one thing, goes in parentheses. Notice if I just even leave off the denominator parentheses, this is not accurate. So it's really important when you have a fraction, if there's only one thing in the top and one thing in the bottom, you can put the fraction in one set of parentheses. If there's more than one thing in the top and more than one thing in the bottom, they need to each have their own set of parentheses.